Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Now, repeat after me. I speak English with ease. My words flow like water. I feel calm. I feel clear. I speak. Every breath makes my English stronger. I trust my voice. I trust my flow. Speaking English feels natural to me. I focus, I repeat, I improve. My English grows with every word. English flows easily when I relax. Each word I repeat builds my confidence. I enjoy the sound of my own English voice. The more I shadow, the more natural I feel. I can speak clearly and calmly. Every moment of practice brings progress. I hear English. I repeat English. I live English. My voice carries strength and clarity. I am calm. I am focused. I am fluent. Fluency is already growing inside me. I feel stronger with every English sentence. Calm mind, clear voice, fluent words. I let English flow without fear. Each repetition makes me more fluent. I am ready to use my English anytime. You just practiced English in a new way. Remember this calm focus. Carry it with you.